for marriage. Me want to get married. Me say to her, say, look here, me no know. I think we need to take it slow because when she engaged to me, you know, guys, we had a talk. And she asked me how I feel about her. And I tell her, I said, the feelings when I did have fear before, it's not exactly the same because of the things that you did. I was surprised when she proposed to me, but at the same time, I didn't wanted to actually turn it down for her to feel humiliated. And on top of that too, me didn't actually want to try work out something with her. I wanted to try to work out something, regardless. Because me say, you know what? I came this far. We go through so much, let me just try and make it work. Let me try and make it work. I stop wearing the ring weeks now. I don't know if nobody will watch me. But a long time I take off a ring off of my finger long before this. When I realize, say, this just not make no sense. And then the ring, I suck my energy. The ring scratch my finger. I take it off of my finger because I say this ring is not coming from a good fucking place. This ring is not coming from a good place. Nobody cannot blame me for walk away from somebody like that. That girl is problematic and she's dangerous. Nobody can blame me for that. Everybody want to come and tell me, say me a user, me a this. Me a get a fuck rich man regular. Me not fuck average man, period. So when time I fuck men, I do get money from them. I do get things from them. It's nothing for me to see a man and him do something for me and me not give him a pum pum. A regular something that. People act like say me use, I like say the bestest thing this me ever. This is not the bestest person me ever talk to. No. I tried. And it just didn't work. Obviously, just never work. And then people now want to come and tell me say, oh, say, you know, you use the girl and you say that because I refuse to actually take the sickness bribe and, oh, you know, I'm going to kill myself and no, me done. My peace matters. My peace come first. My peace matters. My peace come first. If this girl is mature, should I understand from Sky talk to her on the phone and explain certain things to her and tell her, say, look, me and Kai are work, we are work. You know what I do and what I'm about. We are make that a issue for. We are make that a issue. You already know who you are talk to. You can't come and change people and come and try to belittle people and judge people because you know better you're a career criminal. That is what you do. You are a career criminal, in and out of jail, in and out of prison. Every minute warrant about the place for you in Canada. Tell the people them that don't come and try to judge me and try to make it look like, say, you never know who Coco the tick is. Me not hide nothing about myself. Me never come to you and tell us, say, oh, me a saint, I'm a perfect. And tell us, say, me and none of them. So I told you who I am and what I did. And you forced yourself onto me. You went and you tattooed my name. You tattooed my name twice. You tattooed my initials. And then wanted to tattoo my face. And I told you no, because we don't meet. I say you can't tattoo my face. It's unsafe for you to tattoo my face. And then you go tell people, say, me do you this and me do you that. Like, say, you feel like, say, all the money where you did that give me, and all of that was going to, well, you did it wrong. You can't go behind my back when me I carry you out and drive you run, forget you food. And I push money I give my best friend. And I tell her, say, don't tell me. What the fuck you mean, don't tell me? Where you hide that from me for? Where you hide it from me for? And then you want to tell people, say, kind. You never give the girl the money out of a good place. You try to use the girl, or you either you want to fuck the girl. You try to use the girl, or you want to fuck the girl. It's either you want to fuck her, or you try to use her if you can get information. Because you know, so nobody don't know nothing about me like my best friend. Why would you do that? You don't know her. You come, and you just feel like, say, everybody hungry for money and everybody frightened for money. If anybody was using this girl, If my friend Abby say, if even my friend they feel like me I use her, my friend would that take the money, and my friend would that suck out more money from her. Nobody's not using her. Nobody not use her. Nobody not use her. The bag what she offer my friend is still in my closet. Me did that try force my friend to take the bag. The girl said she don't want the bag because the girl say once she take things from her, she gonna feel entitled for talk to her. She don't want to talk to her. She used herself. She played herself and then want people to feel sorry for her. Oh, you played yourself. You play yourself. You tried to play me and you end up play yourself.